How to use Facebook Marketplace safely. First, you want to simply tap on the Facebook application to open it, and once you're inside the app, you want to simply tap on the marketplace option over here, and you want to look for the item that you want to purchase. Once you have selected your item, you want to simply contact the seller over here on Messenger. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply check the seller's marketplace profile and ratings if that is available over there. Doing so, you'd be able to use Facebook Messenger to ask questions about the product, and you'd be able to set a meeting as well. You want to meet in a busy place if you are buying locally, and inspect the item as well before paying. Doing so, you want to simply avoid sending money outside Facebook before receiving the item as well. And if some problem comes up as well, you want to simply report suspicious listing by tapping the three dots and selecting report listing over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.